AI and money after 50. Can AI actually help you make better money decisions after 50? If you are over 50, you don't need another complicated money app. You need something that helps you think more clearly. And in 2026, AI may be one of the most useful financial tools available, but only if you use it the right way. AI cannot guarantee profits, it cannot predict the stock market perfectly, and it should never replace or qualified financial professionals for major decisions. But AI can help you understand your money better, compare options faster, and spot mistakes before they become expensive. Here are 3 practical ways. Number 1, use AI to find where your money is going. Most people know they are spending too much. They just do not know exactly where. You can give AI a simple list of your monthly expenses, housing, utilities, insurance, subscriptions, food, car payments, credit cards, then ask where am I overspending and what can I reduce without hurting my quality of life. AI can organize your spending and show patterns you may have missed. That alone can save money every month. Number 2, compare big financial decisions. After 50, one bad financial decision can be harder to recover from. Before buying a car, taking a loan, refinancing, or making a large investment, ask AI to compare the numbers. For example, compare paying cash versus financing, or show me the total cost of this loan over 5 years. AI can help you slow down and look at the full picture before signing anything. Number 3, use AI as a second set of eyes. AI is especially useful for questions you may feel embarrassed to ask. What does this investment fee mean? Is this email a scam? What questions should I ask my financial advisor? What happens if inflation stays high? AI can explain financial language in plain English, but remember, never give AI your passwords, bank login details, social security number, or other sensitive financial information. The biggest advantage of AI after 50 is not getting rich quickly, it is making fewer expensive mistakes. Use AI to understand, use it to compare, use it to ask better questions, but always make the final decisions carefully. Comment below, would you trust AI to help with your money decisions? Yes or no?
Over 50, AI can help you make smarter money decisions, but would you trust it? Comment Chia Financialcation after 50.